Yo, 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 what up? How's it going, everybody? Is everything working all right? Because before, I think something went wrong. Like, did you guys see the countdown at all? All right. Go figure. Sorry about that. What's up, everyone? This fucking thing, man. For some reason, like Edge Pro X will like never reconnect after the internet goes out to like shut down the whole fucking thing. I have to throw this whole fucking computer in the trash. I'm so sick of this shit. Oh man, fuck you. Earmuffs, chat. Guess that's what I get for trying to start the stream without restarting my modem first. Guess that's just the world I'm in now. Can't start my stream without unplugging the fucking modem. Oh man, pisses me off. Massive distraction to have to deal with that shit. All right, well, we're into VWAP here on NAS. ES looks to be a little bit holding a little bit better off 6164. We're not going to troubleshoot, chat. I appreciate it. We're not troubleshooting on stream. We've done this. We've had this conversation so many times. It's just not. I appreciate it, but we're not gonna find the solution here in chat. I don't think. I know how to troubleshoot shit. Miguel, you went long 64 3/4. Nice entry, as usual. Some pretty decent divergence here on the sisters here. Miguel almost always has impressive sniper entries. And he's never going to tell me how he does it. What do you guys think? Who's lying here? ES or NAS? Told you, volume profile is king. Olivia, you think Nasdaq's lying? Yeah, I'll see. Wouldn't mind to sweep overnight highs and run into this upward sloping trend line. VP is volume profile. No sound. It might be on your end of things. There's no way 95 people are in here and no one's complaining about sound except for one person. When there's a problem, usually at least 5 people complain about it instantly, and then another 5. What up, Matt? How you doing? Oh, they dare to speak up, Calm. They dare. What do you think of the market selling or buying? I mean, it's been very resilient, so I don't know. The dips have been getting bought. That being said, this hourly is shaping up pretty bearish. Well, somewhat bearish. Nice move here. Looks like, I mean, man, ES is not doing anything. We really need it to drop under VWAP here for some sustained move lower. It's only 6-point range on ES, pathetic. Meanwhile, NAS is moving about, 60 points. I mean, okay, we're coming into 500 here on NAS. Maybe we can get a bounce here. Maybe there's just gonna be a little bit of divergence, a little bit longer. I don't know. Yeah, okay, there's a little bounce at 500. Be nice to get a move all the way back up to 590 or so. All right, back to 500 here in NAS. So yesterday I had a nice, really nice trade on both MFFU and Apex. I ended up taking another couple trades on MFFU and gave back a little profit. So I'm about $800 away from passing that one. Here comes a rip, I think, says Miguel. I do like the 500 holding twice there. That's pretty good. Looks like, to me, NAS is lying here. ES held up so nicely. Didn't even touch VWAP. Above VWAP, I think I would look for the long side trade. If NAS is rejecting VWAP and ES tops out again, then I think shorts are in play. But for now, I like that 500 hold there. This looks pretty good. VWAP projection. Top out on ES. Under 500, I'd like to see us visit 477, 476 and a half. All right, let's break 500 here. No? Another 500 hold? Really? 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 Okay. ES is not at all-time highs for my calculation. You could also look at like SPX. We had a high in February on SPX. I think 6147 is SPX high. All right, we're gonna reclaim VWAP here on NAS and get that push higher. Target's up around 590. Overnight high sweep into the trend line. It's kind of a pretty gross open so far. Wow, there's a knife for you. How are you supposed to trade ES right now? I mean, or NASDAQ. How are you supposed to trade that? Not supposed to. Really need 500 to give way, or we need ES to be able to break its highs. 6170. Yeah, Grizz, right there with you. This is really pretty nasty. Some whipsaw moves too, you know. Even if you on the right side, it's likely you get stop out. Here's the time. My time is 8:47, 22 seconds. What kind of delay we got, chat? What's up, Botan? Good morning. $500 break. There it goes. ES into VWAP. Looking for some buyers at 476. But we might actually pick up some momentum, rip right through it to the downside. Overnight lows would be then the target at 37 3/4. 500 holds here again. Maybe the long side's in play. 1 minute delay. Are you kidding me? That is insane. Fuck me, man. I'm so sick of this shit. I already punched the modem this morning. It didn't help. What else should I try? Should I just quit OBS and relaunch? This is like, what are we gonna do with the 1 minute delay? That's worthless. Can you guys change the speed on the YouTube player? See, does that probably won't help. I doubt it's on YouTube's end. All these problems seem to be on my end. I can't chat with you guys when there's a minute delay. There's no point. All of my analysis is delayed for you guys, so there's no point for you guys to even watch this. I could quit OBS and just relaunch the stream again. Might have to do that. What's up, Chester? Sorry, buddy. Come on in. He's like, yo, you got some bad energy, man. Whew. I think we're gonna get the flush. I think we're gonna get the flush down to 37. I don't know. Can you do anything on your end with the player to see if it can catch up? So I don't have to restart. I'm at 8:51 and 13 seconds here. Okay, good. Yeah, refresh. If you got a crazy delay, just refresh. Okay. All right, let's get back to it here. Finally broke 500. I think we are going to get the move down to 437. That's my target. We've got a little bounce here at this demand zone, so I will see if there's an opportunity for me to get short. I don't think this demand zone is going to deter me from the short side. It took so long to crack 500. We had a freaking cap at 6170 on ES, where price could not push above it. So now I do think we are going to revisit the overnight low. So I'm going to look for an opportunity to get short. All right, chat. This is too frustrating. Yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and just stop streaming. Come hang in the Discord. Maybe I'll do a stream there. I don't know. It's just, for whatever reason, it's being too inconsistent here on OBS, and it's very frustrating. So it's really taking me out of trading. So I'm gonna sign off. I'll try again tomorrow.